Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to hide your address on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. With that, let's get started. Shopify automatically places your physical address on your public store policies and your printed shipping documents. Here's how to completely hide it. First, look at the very bottom left corner of your screen and click on the settings gear icon. From the left sidebar menu inside the settings window, scroll all the way to the bottom and select Policies. Go through your refund, privacy, and shipping policies. If you used a generic template to create them, your home address might be typed out inside the text boxes. Simply highlight your address text, delete it, and hit Save. Next, let us remove it from your physical shipping documents. Look back at the left sidebar menu, inside Settings, and select Shipping and Delivery. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you find the Document section. Click on the arrow next to the packing slip template. When you click the Preview template, you will see that your address is clearly displayed at the bottom. To remove that, go back to the Settings page and click inside the box containing the code, right beneath where it says, "Thank you for shopping with us." Look for the line that reads shop.address summary. Simply highlight that line of code, delete it, and click Save in the top right corner. Now, your personal home address is completely hidden from your order documents. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to hide your address on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.